Hey YouTube, how we doing? Well, that's right. It's that interesting time of the month. PMP Prep Box is back. And, well, I can't really call it a box. It's a bag. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're gonna unbag this bad boy. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. As you saw, this month's theme is Everyday Carry or EDC. Now, if you're unfamiliar with PMP Prep Box, that's okay, because this is like the third that has ever been shipped out. This is the first time that Jason, the big dog over at PMP, has made 2 levels. But he made a mistake. And I've already addressed it with him, but I'd be remiss if I didn't even say it here. There's no packing list. So I can't tell you realistically the difference between the levels or if everything's even in the bag, because I don't have a packing list. Now, as a subscriber, I love seeing packing lists. Those are critical. That way you know everything's in your bag. If there was something you really truly wanted and really truly liked, you can go back, look at your shipping list, and go, oh, that's right, this month I got this, let me go get it. Now, pushing all that aside, like I said, this month's theme is Everyday Carry. I already looked inside the bag, and now it's your turn. So let's get at this. Now, I can't really say it's the first item in the bag, but it's the first item we're going to take a look at. It's the Universal Survival Tech, basically signaling whistle. Now, it's a jet scream whistle, and it's very, very loud. I gotta tell you, for some people out there, keep this on you. You get you get attacked, anything happens, just blow really freaking loud in there. It comes in at 122 decibels in sound. That is going to get you some freaking attention. You can everyday carry this. I mean, if you get lost somewhere, you're trying to attract people to you, like in the middle of the woods, you get separated from a hiking group. I don't know, God forbid, you're off hiking yourself, you fall down the side of a mountain, search and rescue's looking for you. This is perfect. It's lightweight, it's gonna fit in a pocket, you're gonna be fine. Alright, next up, it's actually we're gonna kind of do this 2-in-1. It's a Snug Pack all-weather notebook. Now, I like these things, honestly. Oh, that's kind of cool by Snug Pack. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. It's lined, but you can see the grid pattern on the back of the paper when you're looking at it through the light. These things are all-weather. They're right in the rain. You're good to go. There's times where, I gotta tell you, I've used these, well, not Snug Pack, but I've used the military version when I was in, and they can be a lifesaver. I mean, if there's important stuff you've got to get down, there you go. And I like that on the very back. I should say on the back cover. But he also followed that up with a pretty cool, I'm not even going to call it a tactical pen, because I hate when people do that. It's a beautiful pen by Zippo. Now, I can't tell you how many times you've been out there and you're like, hey man, got a pen I can use? It's a beautiful everyday carry item. And in conjunction with your Right in the Ring notebook, that is going to be, something you should keep on you all the time. That's just my opinion. So, there's 3 items. Now, I got to tell you ahead of time, there's an item that seems to make its way around every subscription box, and that's Multitools. Last month with BattleBox and their little fiasco, Jason and I had a conversation offline, or should I say online, and he's like, oh dude, you're going to hate one of the items that's coming in my box next month, and I kind of had to laugh because I knew what he was hinting at. But what he didn't know is I've been wanting to buy this one for a little while. It's a Gerber Diamond. Well, I should say Gerber Diamond Travel. Okay. There's the specs on the back. It's got your usual 12 tools, the, lifetime Gerber warranty. It says right there you can carry this on airlines, which I think is great, and you've got a multi-tool on you. I can guarantee you, look for a review coming up on this on our channel. Oh, I should say on my channel here real soon. But it's a good item, and Jason ain't too upset with it, bro. Good choice. Real good choice. Now, something that Jason does, and I kind of like it, and it makes sense. All right, I work with Paracord a lot, and Jason does some Paracord projects on the side. So what he did is, I'm betting that's probably about a 10-foot or 5-foot hank that he turned into a quick release Paracord keychain item. Hanging on your keychain, it has like next to no weight to it, and you've at least got cordage on your person at all times. So, nice little handmade item there, Jason. Way to go. And I'm betting PGP made that, so you tell her she did freaking great. Now, I gotta tell you, flashlights are an often overlooked item on your everyday carry. I mean, if it's late at night, if it's dark, if it's, you're fumbling for keys or trying to get your house, or, I don't know, you even need to stun an attacker, flashlights are incredible. Well, what he did, and I've already taken it out of the package because I've been playing with it, is he included a Olight, I believe that's either 51 Alpha or S1 Alpha baton. I know, you're going, hey, where is it? Like I told you, I already took it out of the package. And there it is. Olights are freaking sweet. They are beautiful and they are great to have. What I like is, they're really easy to use. It's supposed to have 3 different levels in here, but I really haven't seen much of a difference in this small one. And what I like, and I'm going to warn you ahead of time, it's going to be a strobe. That will help stun an attacker, disorient them, and give you a moment to do what you got to do. They are Olights. They're a massive named item, and I love them. And it says it has a 5-year warranty, so you can't go wrong there. And it says on high, it's at 220 lumens. It'll run for about 25 days. And I love it. You can throw this thing supposedly 71 meters and it's going to be fine. And it did come with a battery, which I thought was freaking awesome. And if I remember right, these things are rechargeable. But I'll look into that one for the baton. Ow! Moving on. I think an everyday carry item, wherever you're at, should be a cutting tool. A small pocket knife. Depending where you're at, you can do fixed blades. I know here in the state of Washington, where I'm located, I can have a fixed blade as long as I'm not doing something stupid with it and brandishing in a way that's going to scare people. But he included a pretty, well, I don't want to say great pocket knife, but I get it. It's made by Kershaw, and it is the Shuffle. I've reviewed this on the channel, so look for a link I'm going to put somewhere in one of these little 2 corners. There's a little card to show you my review. That way I don't need to go into this one. I've got a black one. He included a lime green one, which isn't too bad, just something a little different. I do love the black wash finish on these guys. Interesting choice. Okay. Now, the other thing he did, he's kind of like myself, and he has a fascination for neck knives. I love them. Some of them are really great, really lightweight, and can help you in a pinch. Others, like you're going to see an upcoming one, are freaking that I've got, recorded. It's pretty freaking heavy. But anywho, he gave us the CRKT Allen Fultz Minimalist. I've brought this to my channel as well. Look up here for review, a link to my direct reviews on that. But, right in the package. Now, this is what I love. Alright. CRKT gives you 2 different ways to carry this thing. It gives you this itty bitty little clip that I joke, it's like a baby tech lock, that you can attach to the sheath and wear it on your belt. Or they've given you a length of paracord with the little adjustable thing so you can wear it around your neck. Ooh. Hey, I don't have this version. Freaking sweet. I've got a beefier Bowie version of this. So I guess look forward to an upcoming review on this guy. Scratch that link. Nice. It comes with, and I gotta tell you honestly, every one of their neck knives usually comes with this, because as you see sitting in a hand, basically only 3 fingers are gonna go through, and you got this one flailing around. But it comes with that little, like, 95 paracord little thing on the bottom. Well, I should say 95 string, so it's a 95-pound paracord, to give you a way for your pinky to hold on to. It's got that wonderful forward jimping, and it's pretty friggin' sharp. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, hey, cool. There's their propaganda. And I've done a review on that Kurt. Look up there. You'll find it. But hey, let's see if we can do this. Oh. Be sharp. As he usually does. He includes a PMP sticker and the poor man's preparing business card. It's not a bad box. We're going to set it all up here in a moment, and we're going to give a quick rundown on it like we usually do. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, well there we go. This is the EDC PMP Prep Box. It's got some pretty good items, seriously. Paracord is always great. A neck knife is beautiful, especially one that's that lightweight. You can conceal it under clothes. The shuffle, well, I hate those things just simply because, as usual, you'll see if you click on that link, that bottle opener causes hot spots on your hand. O-lights are awesome. Gerber's always a great freaking choice for basically anything. Yes, I am a Gerber fan. Not a fanboy, but a fan. But, you know, there's the box, guys. I want to know what you think, and be brutally honest, okay? Because I think he did an okay job picking out some items that some people might overlook. But I want to know what you think down below. If you're a first-time viewer of this channel, you picked a good one to start on. And I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your time with me. It is very important to me that you chose me over any other YouTube video out there. Now, you're going to see a symbol popping up over here. That's going to be our logo. Go ahead, click on that. Go ahead, do it. Do it. Be one of the cool kids. Click on that and hit subscribe. That's right. You're not going to want to miss any of the fun. After you click on that and click on subscribe, click on that bell icon that's going to be right next to it. That is going to inform you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a good viewing experience for you. But like I said, PMP Prep Box, EDC. Thanks for watching, and have a great one.